Lots to do with letters. 1. Listen carefully and learn to make letter cards. Teacher, Manish, come here. Hand out these cards to everyone. Give one card to each one. Did you all get a card? Good. Now listen carefully. I will say the name of a letter and write it on the board. You have to write the letter on your card. Ready? Let's start. A. Write big A. Writes A on the board. Finished? Good. Now turn the card over like this. On this side, write small a. Writes A on the board. Finished? Very good. Now this is your letter card for A.